listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static.
In today's episode, learn what ACA subsidies are and how they can help your clients save. ACA Subsidies and Their Eligibility Requirements by Roxanne Anderson, Emily Ryan, and Ashley Toomey. You may have heard a lot about ACA subsidies, but aren't 100% sure what they are and how people qualify for them. Or maybe you do and just need a little refresher. Well, that's what we've got here today for you. ACA subsidies are an advanced premium tax credit, or APTC for short, designed to help lower income and middle income individuals and families afford health insurance. To qualify, someone must meet the following criteria: an annual income between 100% to 400% of the federal poverty level. They must buy the health plan through the marketplace or exchange, and do not have affordable employer-sponsored coverage available to select. Quick note on that last one. Family members can access subsidized ACA coverage if an employee's cost for their coverage exceeds 8.39% of the household's income. That is thanks to the closing of the family glitch. All family members are taken into consideration in eligibility calculations, not just the employee. When estimating subsidies, your clients will use their previous year's annual income. So to estimate 2026 subsidies, use their 2025 income levels to calculate savings. Then match your client's family size and income level to see where they fall on the federal poverty level scale. In our text version of this episode, we have a subsidy table which makes quick work of calculating these savings. That will be linked in the episode notes so you can bookmark it and refer back to it. Keeping things high level here, a family of one would have to earn between $15,650 and $62,600 to qualify for the advanced premium tax credit. A family of two would have to earn $21,150 to $84,600 to qualify. A family of three would have to earn between $26,650 to $106,600 to fall between 100% and 400% of the FPL. A family of four would have to earn between $32,150 to $128,600 to fall within the qualification thresholds. Each additional family member after four counts towards the annual income amount for subsidy calculation. Simply a matter of matching the income amount to family size on the table we mentioned earlier. That will be linked in the notes. Something important to mention: individuals who fall below 138% of the FPL or their state's designated limit may qualify for free or low-cost health insurance through Medicaid. If your client lives in Hawaii or Alaska, please be aware that poverty guidelines differ. You can review those states' guidelines on the Department of Health and Human Services website, hhs.gov. We'll have that linked in the episode notes for you as well, along with other resources from the Health Reform Beyond the Basics to help your clients understand how their income will affect their health coverage. When helping your client apply for a plan, you'll work together to estimate how much income they think they'll have for the following year. Then they'll receive a subsidy based on that income, as well as additional factors. When your client files their taxes at the end of the year, they may have to pay back some or all of the subsidy if they earned over their estimated income for the year. Alternatively, if they made less than their original estimate, they should get a refund for any additional portion of the subsidy they may qualify for. We have an episode all about debunking some of the myths that surround the ACA, including income requirements. You can find that linked in the episode notes, along with all the resources we mentioned today. So be sure to check those out. Ritter has a wonderful team dedicated to under 65 health insurance. If you have any ACA or other industry-related questions, don't hesitate to reach out at asgpodcast@ritterim.com. Thank you for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written by Roxanne Anderson, Emily Ryan, and Ashley Toomey. Script proofing by Sarah Ruppel. Recording and production by me, Tina Lamoureux. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Follow along with our show wherever you like to listen.